Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to present one video which I have filmed in March 2021 during Corona pandemic. Guess what? It is Dubai airport. After landing I walked and relaxed a little bit and sent messages to my relatives using Wi-Fi connectivity about my safe journey. There are also some cafeterias which were open 24 hours. There are some places where I saw some desk computers with internet facilities. I thought of buying some gold. Initially I searched online about all details which you can also find in the blog link which I am going to share with you in description. I have had transit in Dubai many times but this time I had long duration between the transit, hence I thought of roaming around. Due to Corona I had to go and get extra copy of my self-declaration form as told by the officials here. So I went and visited one currency exchange center in Dubai airport. You can show your passport and exchange currency. The passage and area is so vast that walking even with trolley handbag becomes difficult. I was tired. So after exchanging the currency I went and I bought water bottle from one supermarket beforehand. As next I wanted to take away some food for myself. Many of the restaurants were closed at midnight. So first I took Xerox copy and headed further and visited one gold shop in Dubai. I calculated prices in India and checked on one website details about how much is allowed for me. As I was already wearing many gold ornaments I was doubtful whether to purchase gold or not. One can buy gold and wear it and pretend as if it is not newly bought. I had left with less time for the purchase. And my gate was far away. So according to calculation I would not have reached on time on gate, so I decided to skip the plan for next journey. But if you get all necessary information beforehand then one can surely buy some fantastic electronics and gold from duty-free shops here. Find details in link for my blog about it. Now I would like to give you some information about Dubai International Airport, that is DXB. DXB is airport code. Dubai International Airport is the main international airport in Dubai, in the United Arab Emirates. Also it is the 19th busiest airport in the world considering the international passenger traffic and also one of the busiest cargo airports in the world. This airport is located in Al Gahoud district, which is about 5 kilometers at east side from Dubai city center. It has got 3 terminals, amongst which Terminal 3 is the second largest building in the world if one considers floor space. In 2019 solar systems has been installed in order to reduce electricity consumption by 30% by year 2030. Emirates has hub airport in DXB, has 3 terminals, which they code share with Fly Dubai. The Emirates Group, that is Government of Dubai's Investment Corporation of Dubai, owns Emirates Airlines, which is a state in Dubai-based international aviation holding company whose headquarters is in Gahoud, Dubai, United Arab Emirates, near Dubai International Airport. There is accommodation possibilities for transient passengers in Dubai Airport. The Snooze Cube, which is in Terminal 1, gate, provides rental private compact rooms by the hourly charges, with a 2-hour minimum booking. Also Sleep Na Fly Lounge, which can be found in Terminal 3 opposite to gate, has got igloo-style sleep pods that accommodate up to 2 people. These pods can be booked from 1 hour to overnight on rental basis, and you can pre-book some time slots to make your transit nights comfortable. There are many international money exchange centers located in all terminals. One can exchange currency at the airport, hotel, banks, or currency exchange counters. Most bank counters at the airport are closed by 10 to 11 p.m. However, a few banks' currency exchange counters are open 24/7 at the airport. About duty-free shopping in Dubai, duty-free shops are only found in the international areas of airports and seaports, and at some overseas border crossing. During the flight journey, many of us might have seen ground staff or cabin crew members telling us about some duty-free offer, which also can be found out in magazines in airlines. Dubai Duty Free is open in a forecourt public shop in Terminal 3 of Dubai International Airport. The retailer also opened 3 luxury boutiques, including a Christian Dior boutique in Concourse A and B and a Louis Vuitton shop in Concourse B of Terminal 3. One can buy electronics, liquors, cigars, gold ornaments and pure gold, gifts, men and women outfits, dry fruits, chocolates and many such branded things. Prior any purchase, check with destination country and amount of the products allowed in respective country. Else paying extra custom duty charges upon reaching your country would be regretting, and for that I have provided link in the description box where you get all the information about it. I hope you got information which I have extracted and summarized, which would be helpful for your next Dubai trip or transit. My destination stop is Mumbai Airport, and landing in Mumbai was altogether fun. If you like the video, like it and subscribe for more such videos from Europe and India. Thanks for watching.